Oh, is he abandoned? Wait, why? Huh? How? You have a new voice? Yeah, I'm fine. Yeah. What? You had a different voice? You had a brand new voice? Yeah! Yes! Oh, new voice. Yeah, Bob's got a new voice? Yes, sure. I don't know why you think his new voice is here. Yeah! I want to get kaboom! Wait, did you like it? Because of this? This? I know you don't show off this time. What? I know you're gonna blow up. You take this. Help! Oh, now come! Oh no. Oh, ouch. China, you're so fast, piggies! You saved my lives. You're eternally grateful. Yes. Yeah. I know you watch some things of it. I think the piggies are about to investigate with two pigs, and they're about to arrest me. First, yeah. This one's gonna be my worst new voice ever. I know you got sure. You sure he got his new voice? Yeah, my new voice. Come on. See, there's one there. See, the one is. No! This one's so bad now. Yeah? Oh, I'm hurt. Yeah. Hey! You now on arrest! What? You coming with me? Oh no. You coming with me too? Huh? I know you just don't. I can't! No, that's it. Is he dead? Yeah.